Okay, now Keiko, you remember, is my little 3-month-old, she's probably 4 months old right now, Quaker Parrot. Deathly afraid of any toys, but mainly these little cat toys. Once I got her to see there's nothing to be afraid of, I was able to teach her how to pick one up and drop it. Of course, now that I'm filming, Keiko, hey baby, drop it, yay, drop it, yay, come here baby, stay on mama's finger, there we go, drop it, yay, 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 and then there was rings, drop it, uh-oh, drop it, yay, one more, Keiko, turn around, drop, uh-oh, up, up, one more, drop it, yay, what a good baby. It's weird because she's still afraid of them, but yet she'll take them in her mouth and drop them. This is her little TV perch. Yay! Spin around, step up, ta-da! And she's such a sweetie. I think all Quakers do that. So pretty. Rub the belly, turn over. That's my baby. That's it.